With the iOS 26.5 update, Apple has introduced the new Pride Luminance wallpaper for iPhone users. This wallpaper features beautiful strips of color that transition as you lock and unlock your iPhone. The wallpapers look pretty cool thanks to the vibrant color palette. What makes the Pride Luminance wallpapers unique is that they come with their own customization menu, which allows users to pick a color palette of their choice. Here's how you can customize these wallpapers. First of all, download and install the iOS 26.5 update on your iPhone. Once your device has been updated, open the Settings app and tap on the Wallpaper option. On the next page, tap on the Add New Wallpaper button. If you're using this wallpaper for the first time, you will have to download it first. To do this, scroll down and tap on the Get button located next to its name. Once the wallpaper has downloaded, tap on it. In the preview, the Pride Luminance wallpaper will look like an ordinary wallpaper. Here, you have to scroll left several times until you reach the final page. As soon as you do, you will get access to a variety of color options. If the color palette does not appear automatically, then tap on the Edit button to access it. You can scroll through the available colors and choose the one that suits you the best. Once you are happy with the wallpaper, simply add your desired widgets and tap on the Add button from the top. Then choose whether you want to set this wallpaper as a pair or only for the home screen. That's it. This is how you can customize and use the new Pride Luminance wallpaper in iOS 26.5 or later. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.